You're probably wondering why you always hear about you need to use the back lenses, the back camera on your phone when you're filming. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the front and back camera, the difference of the quality, so you can judge by yourself and decide which one you want to use for your videos. So here you have the front camera on the left and the back camera on the right side. This is now the back camera. You probably can see a difference. I hope you do, but this is it. And here I am with the front camera. So I hope this was useful. I hope you can see a difference. I'm just holding my camera with my hands. I don't even have my tripod at all. So I hope this was useful. Let me know if you're using your front or back camera whenever you're filming. Even though the back camera is way better, the quality is way better, you might sometimes want to use the front camera. Depending on where you are, it might not be very easy to set up your back camera. I'm literally holding my camera, my phone with my hand. It's not easy to record like that. Let me tell you that. So sometimes you can use, the is it the octo body, I think, that sticky thing that you put at the back of your phone, and you can stick it to your window, and then you can take videos with your front camera. Pretty handy. So you can use the front camera. It's not bad at all, but the back is much better. I hope you see the difference. Let me know which one you use when you record your video, but know that it doesn't have to be perfect. If you're starting a YouTube channel and you want to start to record videos, don't make it complicated. If you find it easier to use the front camera, set it up to 4K. 4K will be much better than the HD. So set it up to 4K and start like that so you can get a better view of yourself when you're recording. Especially at the start, we don't have all the setup that professionals have. So that shouldn't bother you and that shouldn't scare you. Honestly, I'm using an iPhone, I think it's a 14 Pro Plus. So it's not even the latest model. Might be a 13 Pro Plus. So I should upgrade. I should definitely upgrade. But anyways, you don't need to have the latest models of anything to start a YouTube channel. You just need to share your experience. That's all you need to do. So if you haven't done so, just start. Just start. That's all I'm telling you. Start. And I'll see you on the next video for new tips and tricks for starting your YouTube channel. Just start if you haven't done so already. Okay, I am going back to the front camera. So even though